国际新闻，咱来关心美国宾州杀人犯卡瓦坎特伫逃亡2礼拜了后，伫13时昨昏已经放抓着。过去这2礼拜这段时间，伊伫偷改变清查，而且为着要食物件，搁去共偷入去人家厝，是偷赛车，搁偷提枪。即马放抓着啊，当地人总算会当安心啊。
宾州杀人犯巴西籍的卡瓦坎特总算被抓为围捕，当局动员特种武器、战术部队甲战车，战术小组用日元干警装置找到伊个定位，无奈拄到雷公司那甲爆破，只好将行动延后。
Shortly after 8 a.m., tactical teams converged on the area where the heat source was. They were able to move in very quietly. They had the element of surprise. Cavalcante did not realize he was surrounded until that had occurred. That did not stop him from trying to escape. He began to crawl through thick underbrush, taking his rifle with him as he went.
34岁卡瓦坎特2011年向前台前查某朋友38刀，将身加禁免加刑，这卡2礼拜成功逃亡。伊逃亡期间改变清查，创面体偷食米、偷车、偷枪，搁秘伫丛林内底，警方正歹抓，被形容是真危险的人物。在地居民过去2礼拜过甲心惊惊，即摆伊被抓，心情拢总算放轻松。
Customs and Border Control teams, BORTAC, had a dog with them. They released the dog. Some of our PSP CERT members were also there, had him surrounded. The dog subdued him. He did sustain a minor bite wound.
这摆行动无开枪，完成任务了，20多名员警甲卡瓦坎特斗阵翕相，互警务解决人士甲民众和平无失动。公司新闻，恩文玲朋友。